Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on the application of Authenticator. You will click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Authenticator and you'll enter. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here you can click on clear cache. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on